Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create the table like this using the HTML code. So you have to write the code for this. I will show you from the I have already written the code. So I will explain it one by one. So here you can see this is the doc type HTML. Then we use opening HTML tag, opening head tag, then opening title tag, and then we close the title tag, and then we close the head tag, then we open the body tag. Then this is the table border. We have to specify the table. So here table border is equal to 2 means the outer side of the table, the outer line of the table. That means if we put control sir, and if we refresh, you can see the outer side table line is much bolder and darker. That means much thicker, and we will use this. And cell padding means the space between the two boxes. That means these two boxes. So I will use, if I use cell spacing is equal to 16. You can see the change here. You can see the increase in size of the box, inner box. I will place it like this, and if cell spacing is the space between two boxes, the space between these two boxes. This means if I put 10, Control Shift, then the space between these two boxes will increase. You can see here is the space between these boxes. So if I use have the space between the boxes has been decreased. So I will use the space is equal to 1 to make it clear for you. So here is the small space between the boxes, and the white is equal to 50% means the total size of the box or the total size of table is 60%. The white of the table is 60%. If I use here 20%, then you will see the change here. The small has been bold slash so small. If I use 70%, the size of the box has increased. So I will put the size of the box is equal to 50%. So here is the size of the box, or I can sorry here yeah, or I will 20% control save size white is equal to style white. This is the size of the box. So after this, the size of the box has increased. So I increase this. So we have already specified. If you can know how, you can know the character of the table. So after this, we have to give the data or table head. We use the opening table OTR. Then align is equal to center, B align is equal to top. If you did not use this, then you can see the output here. We use only tr tag, control F. You can see the data has been in the bottom and it is not in the center. So if you use tr is equal to align is equal to center, comma align is equal to the term align is equal to center means the name for the or the placement of the data for the horizontal line. This means row. India here, Goa, these are the result of the center of align, and B align is vertical align. That means I can put this in top or bottom. So this is the top. B align is equal to top. Control Z, visual line is equal to top. You can see here it has been moved to the top of the table. See, visual line is equal to top and it has been moved to the top of the table. So after this I will remove this code so it will be easier for you to understand. Control copy, delete. So here is the output. So after this use use TD align is equal to center departure. I will remove this particular below code. So we have used T align is equal to center, B align is equal to top for this data. So table is equal to row span 2. This means control shift I will show you. This means this occupies the 2 head. 2 row. That means 1 2 1 2. Here you can see 1 row 2 row 1 row 2 row 1 2 row. So we don't want this to horizontal line to appear in these boxes. So we use row span is equal to 2 airlines, departures, destination, time, fare. So this is the table head tab. Then coal span means we want 2 boxes inside the time box, departure and arrival in the box of time. So we use coal span is equal to 2. These 2 boxes are created in the time table or time box. So this is the closing tag, and after this table align is equal to center. This means this departure is aligned to the center of the box, and B align is equal to top. This top is the departure is aligned to the top of the box, and we close the tag by tr. Then tr is equal to align center. That means India here. It is to the top of the table or top of the box or center to the box. I will increase the size slightly, 60%. Control Shift. This is the size increase. So you can see here that this is the size of the table increase. Now we will use. So we are here. In there we give the data to this row. We give the data to this row, and we give the table and this is the data to this coal span or this time table or time box. Departure and arrival are the data given to this here. As you can see, it is the only row. This is first row, second row, third row, and you can see here is no first or second row. Here is first row and this second row. So we have to give data to the second row. So we have used coal span as we have separated this time box into 2 particular box named as departure and arrival. So tr is equal to align blind departure arrival. This data will go to the time. So here is departure arrival. The data has been placed here. So now we have to write the data for this particular row, this one row. So we have written the code, that is arrival data is equal to India Air, Goa, Delhi time, and here is the departure time, and here is the fare price. You can see this is the data for this particular one row. So now we write another code, table paste. So I will remove this code, copy, paste. So here is the so here is the Thai Airlines. We align it to the center. So control save. You can see the now here is the output. Now you can see Thai Airlines, Bangkok. It is same as to edit it. These all are the same code. Now for next one. Now align is equal to Las Vegas. You can share if I control share. You can see the output here. You can see the slight difference in here. This box is large. This box is much bigger than other boxes. So you can see here is the Omega Airlines and here Thai Airlines is in same line, but here has been the break. So how did we did it? So here is the simple trick. We has use BR tag. That means break in line. If you did not use this line BR, then you can see the output. The output is America Airlines in the same line. So you use BR tag to break the line. That means now you can see the output. America Airlines, and here is been the space allocated to it. Now Las Vegas table data all are given. Table data all in center student. Yeah. Now I will give you later. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here total are 6 column and or 6 column or 6 row. So we don't want this vertical row. We don't want this vertical line. Vertical line. We don't want this vertical line, and we want the one. We want clear data between this below the table. So for that we use so here we use table row. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6. So you use table data is equal to SPAN is equal to 6 7 click here. We close the table data tag, and now we close the table row tag. Now you will see the output. So here is the output, but this click here is in the left side of the box or table. So we want it into the center of the table. So for that we have to use here is equal to align is equal to center. So you can see here is in the center of the table. So in this way we can particularly create the table using HTML code, which is simple as well. So